Shabu Shabu, a main dish from Japan. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Buy well-marbled sirloin beef or lamb loin roast. Have your butcher cut the meat into paper-thin slices. Slices should be no larger than 8 inches by 3 inches. This make convenient bite-sized portions. Notch decorative cross in the shiitake mushroom caps. Step 3. Chop the green onions diagonally into 11/2-inch lengths. Prepare the cabbage by trimming the bottom and separating the leaves. Step 4. Parboil the leaves 2 to 4 minutes until tender. Step 5. Cut the tofu in 1.5-inch squares. Step 6. Bamboo shoots should be washed and parboiled to remove any lime deposits. They should be cut into half-moon slices about 1/4 inch thick. Step 7. Arrange the meat attractively on one platter, so it is easy to pick up with chopsticks. Arrange the vegetables on another platter. Step 8. Put a 4-inch square of konbu in a large donabe. Step 9. Fill the pot 3/4 full of water. Add vegetables. Bring to a boil, remove kelp. Step 10. Each diner then should be shown how to swish the meat back and forth in the broth. When meat and vegetables are finished, add the shiitake, and each diner can enjoy a bowl of noodle soup ponzu sauce. Mix all the ingredients, and let stand for 24 hours. Travel. Strain through cheese.